Welcome to Huawei Cloud KooPhone. This video demonstrates how to buy a KooPhone general-purpose cloud phone and assign it to enterprise users. The process is as follows. First, the enterprise administrator purchases a cloud phone. Second, creates an organization and a user. Third, and assigns the cloud phone instance to the user. Then, the user downloads the general-purpose cloud phone client and signs in. Let's see how to buy a cloud phone. Go to the official KooPhone website, click Console to go to the Huawei Cloud Console login page, and log in to the KooPhone console. On the KooPhone overview page, click Buy Now. Configure basic cloud phone settings. Select a billing mode. You are advised to select yearly or monthly for long-term use. Here, we select Pay Per Use. Select a region near you. Select specifications as required. The default bandwidth of a cloud phone varies depending on its specifications. Enter a cloud phone name. Specify how many cloud phones you want to buy. You can buy cloud phones in batches. Read and agree to the service statements. Confirm the information and click Pay Now. Then, you can view the instance information on the Cloud Phone Instances page. Next, let's see how to create an organization and a user member to assign your cloud phone to the user. On the Organizations and Users page, click Create Organization. Enter the organization name and domain name and click Agree. After the organization is created, add an enterprise member to the organization. Select the organization to which you want to add a member, and click Create Member. Enter the member name, account, and mobile number. Select Auto-Generated for Set Password. Confirm and save the information. The user will receive an email indicating that the administrator has created a cloud phone account for the user. Then, let's see how to assign a cloud phone to an enterprise user. On the Cloud Phone Instances page, click Bind User in the Operation column. Select the user to be bound and click OK. Then, a message is displayed indicating that the user has been bound. Bind users to other cloud phones in the same way. If the user no longer needs the cloud phone, click Unbind User in the Operation column. After the administrator creates and binds a user, the user will receive an email. Use the account and temporary password in the email to log in and then set a new password. Once your purchased order takes effect, click Download Client on the official KooPhone website. Scan the QR code to download the installation package. Install the client and sign in to use your cloud phone. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Visit our help center to learn more.